Hello guys, so today guys, it's another vlog about SK400 Mark II. So we will answer one of the question again to the comments to Mr. Ramon Paro. Yan sir, shout out kay Mr. Ramon Paro. He's asking if, sir, pwede bang walang trigger? So he is asking if we can use the SK400 Mark II without the trigger guys. So, actually guys, it depends on your camera. So, if your camera have a pop-up flash, you can use the slave mode. So, we have a slave mode here guys. Yan, S1, S2. This is slave mode if you have pop-up flash or if you have speed light on your camera, then it will work by slave mode. But there is a disadvantage guys, because if you put the softbox, and it will, if cannot detect the sensor, this is the sensor guys of the slave mode. Yan. So if you put the softbox, yeah, this is the sensor of the slave mode. This red, red LED something. So if you will not detect the sensor from the light, if you put the softbox, it will not fire guys. So hindi siya gagana ng pag hindi niya ma-detect yung sensor. So ayan guys. But to answer again your question, we will try and demonstrate how the slave mode works on the camera. And again guys, to demonstrate the Godox SK slave mode, yan. And so guys, you have S1 and S2. So you can set either S1 and S2. And you can change the power. Depends on the power guys. So it's manual. So yan. And we have here the Canon 90D with the pop-up flash. So any camera guys, I think as long as there are pop-up flash, it will work fine, perfectly. So we will test and check the guys. So again, I put in the S1 or slave 1 and we open our pop-up flash and we will test guys. It's work perfect guys. See. So. Yan. See, it's work perfect line by slave mode, but there's a disadvantage guys, because if you put the softbox and it will cover the sensor. So if you cover the sensor, there's no guarantee that it will work perfectly if you will not detect the power of the flash of your camera, which is yan. So yun na yung disadvantage niya. So we will try to test also guys. And again guys, so to demonstrate again, we put an octabox for the SK400 and we will try guys if we work perfect with the slave mode. So eto guys, so yan. So it's work perfectly guys with the slave mode. Again, yan, without trigger, you can use slave mode. Kahit iharap mo dito, try natin, and still it's working fine guys. But again guys, if you buy the SK400 Mark II trigger, it comes already with the trigger. SK400 Mark II set, which is around 149.950 Kuwaiti dinar. It comes already with a trigger. So, yan guys. Again, and siya guys. You can use a slave mode. So, it depends on the camera. Because some of the camera guys, there's no pop-up flash. For example, yung natin, XS10, Fujifilm XS10, there's no pop-up flash. So, you need a trigger. So, it depends on your camera. Full frame camera, like 5D Mark, meron ba? Mark 4, I think there's no pop-up flash. Some of the camera, DSLR, or mirrorless, also they don't have the pop-up flash. So, yan ang ano lang din. Advantage using the trigger on SK400 Mark II. So, again guys, that's it for today. I hope I answered the question of Sir Ramon Paro. So, shout out sa iyo, Sir Ramon Paro, for the question about if you can use the SK400 without trigger. So this is the best solution guys. Slave mode. So you can slave mode by pop-up flash or any speed light. Yun, speed light guys. If you have a speed light on your camera, so still you can use the speed light guys. Triggering by slave mode, the SK400. So again guys, hanggang dito na lang. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 natin dito na si Palaboy OFW na nasa camera ngayon. So, hawak niya ang camera niya nga. At syempre, check nyo yung channel niya guys kung sino yung mga mahilig sa ukay-ukay. Yan. Dito, ukay-ukay sa Kuwait. Yan. Dito nyo makikita kung anong style ang ukay-ukay dito, kung paano ang arrangement nila dito sa ukay-ukay. Presyo, yan, siyempre yung price, napaka-importante. Price at saka yung mga item na makukuha nyo, napakasulit na mga product na makikita nyo sa Okay. Minsan mukha pa siyang bago talaga. So makaka-jackpot ka na dyan sa Okay. Check nyo yung channel na PBK 2.0 at Palaboy OFW, Brian Puntanar at si Julius. So again, maraming salamat. Mabuhay.